In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a poll in Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to gather input from your team quickly and efficiently. Whether you're trying to schedule a meeting, decide on a team lunch, or get consensus on project decisions, polls can be a real time saver. Let's dive right in. First, open up Microsoft Teams and log into your account. If you're not already familiar with Teams, it's a chat-based workspace in Office 365 that allows your team to work together from anywhere. Once you've logged in, let's move forward to creating our poll. Next, you'll want to open a group chat where you intend to conduct the poll. This could be an ongoing team chat or a specific group you've just assembled for this purpose. Once in the group chat, direct your attention to the message bar where you usually type your messages. Beside the send button, you'll see a plus sign or a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that, which will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. In this drop-down, you'll find the option labeled Polls. Click on it. By selecting polls, you're opening up a straightforward feature that will allow you to create your poll easily. At this point, you should see a place to type in your poll questions and potential answers. Here's where you formulate what you want to ask your team. For example, if you're scheduling a meeting, your question could be, "What day works best for our weekly meeting?" And then list the days as potential answers. Now that you've filled out your questions and answers, let's move on to the next step, previewing your poll. Click on Preview to see how your poll will look once it is published. Checking the preview is important as it allows you to ensure that all details are correct and it will appear clear and concise to your team members. After you're satisfied with the preview, it's time to send your poll to the group chat. Click on the Send button and your poll will appear in the chat, ready for interaction. Your team members will then be able to view and interact with the poll, providing their input with just a few clicks. As the participants start voting, you'll quickly see the results. Below the poll question, you'll find real-time updates showing how each option is faring, allowing everyone to see which choice is leading. This transparent process not only encourages participation but also facilitates decision-making by giving everyone a clear view of the group's preferences. And that's it! You have successfully created a poll in Microsoft Teams. It's an effective tool to gather votes, opinions, or feedback, seamlessly integrating into your team's workflow. Thanks for watching and happy polling! Yeah.